This is abacus, right? And this is random. Fourth step I would like to tell you is how to clean and how to hold first. From your thumb, from the left you are going to hold your abacus, and from the right you are going to add in the unit place and calculate everything, but for only holding only via the left hand. Okay, where to hold an abacus? First let me clean this. This is a bar. Okay, this is we call it a bar, and these are the rods. Number of rods you have, number of 17 rods. This is having number of 15 rods. Okay, so there'll be in your abacus there will be two more rods over here, and one more rod in this side and one more rod in this side. Don't get confused. So let's just start. First I told you that use this two. One is thumb and the index finger like your gun, point out. You have to, I'll tell you how to hold the pencils also. This you have to clean the abacus. From this you hold this bar slightly, not very hard, so it's very gentle. Just clean it, drag and clean it. This is called zero on the abacus, nothing on the abacus, okay, or cleaning the abacus. So as I told you, there is 1 2 3 no, sorry 1 2 3 4 and 5 dots are there in your abacus. Again I am repeating, in your abacus there will be one more rod over here and one rod over here also. So this is 15 rod abacus and your is 17 rod abacus. There is no issue in that. So and where to count, start the count, the center dot, this is a unit place for the answer. This is the unit place, the left side and the right side. We are not right now referring the right side, we are just concerned about the left side first right now. This is unit place, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000 and so on. One first concentrate on the unit or ones place, 1, tens, 100, 1000 and so on, 10,000, lakh and so on. Okay, so whatever right now we are learning right now on this two rods, this is ones rod, this is tens rod. Okay, so first how to count and how to use your fingers. To hold this abacus you use your thumb, left side thumb near this unit place, okay, this and the tens place you can see, and from this two fingers, the other two fingers like this, hold your abacus like this, make this two finger free. Okay, make this two fingers, the index finger and the middle finger free for the left hand, and hold from the thumb and the small finger and the those two small two fingers to hold the abacus. These two will remain free. Your hand will never rest on the abacus, should be ready on the abacus like this. You should be ready on abacus, never put it down like this or down or the chair, below the chair, never. Or it should always be on the abacus ready to calculate. Okay, so I can hold it here when once you become big, but you are small, so you are supposed to hold it near the tens place. This is tens, the thumb is also on tens. It's okay, so here you are supposed to hold. So don't worry about the other side of the abacus. I'm just showing you on the unit place and tens place first. Anything goes up on the unit place is via thumb. 1 2 sorry 1 sorry 2 clean, 3 clean, 4 clean, 5. This heavenly beads are count as 5. Okay, 5 clean, 6 clean, 7 clean, 8 clean, 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4, down with the index, down with the index, 6, up with the thumb, down with the index, 7, down with the index, up with the, up to means 7, up with the thumb, again 5 plus 3 is 8. You need not to count, slowly you will remember how many beats are for the 8, because this is 9, so definitely you remember this is 9 complete. Now again I will show you 1 2 3 4 clean, 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, next will be after 9 it is 10. This is your tens rod, 1 on the tens rod, 0 on the unit place. This is 10, this is 20. This now as a thumb, your finger will work, and the middle finger will work as an index of the right. Thumb, index of left and right, and middle finger as a index. Okay, see, I'm using this to up, index finger to up, and thumb middle finger to down, to put it down. Okay, 20 30 40 clean, 50 from this, from the middle one. Okay, just a second, let me check the position. 50 60 70 80 90. Okay, if I'll want to make it 10 11 12, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, this is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, so on. 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 38 49 52 54, see this together, 67 68. If you want my video to be a little slow, just let me know, I'll make it slow. How you can, again I'm repeating, thumb 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, you need to practice this, only this counting till 100 for 1-2 days, so that your hand movement become proper. Remember to hold the abacus properly, never leave the abacus and do counting like this. Never use this finger for the tens rod, always use these two fingers for the tens rod, right hand only for the unit place, and these two for the these two, the scissor one for the tens place. Okay, 10 minutes video will be sufficient for you. Okay, bye bye.